From two different Rhode Island communities have been charged under the social host law.
Yeah, police say they threw parties where teenagers were drinking, and some of those teenagers had to be hospitalized. Now, three parents, including a lawyer, face charges. NBC 10's Brian Crandall reports.
South Kingstown police are accusing a lawyer of hosting an underage drinking party at his home on Moonstone Beach Road. Police say a 911 call was made just before 4 a.m. Saturday for an 18-year-old woman who had to be taken to the hospital in relation to alcohol consumption. Police say there were at least 20 teenagers on the property, some telling officers they were attending a post-prom party. Officers claim the homeowners used cars to block the end of the long driveway and collected keys to keep partygoers from leaving. 51-year-old William M. Russo was arrested and charged under the state social host law. Russo is a Providence-based lawyer who goes by W. Mark Russo. His website cites his work in receivership cases. He was the court-appointed special master who oversaw a Westerly hospital in recent years. No answer at the home, and phone and email messages were not returned. But Russo's law partner told me there would be no comment on the situation. Also in the early morning hours of Saturday morning, Burrillville police arrested a couple on Jocelyn Road, accusing them of hosting an underage drinking party with 50 to 60 teens. 3 girls were taken to the hospital. A couple of them had passed out. Investigators claim Linda and Brian Cardone hosted the bash following the Mount St. Charles prom.
They told us that they weren't really aware of what was going on, which I find difficult to believe.
This is just part of that culture now that parents have to be aware of.
NBC 10 legal analyst Mark Dana on the social host law enacted in Rhode Island in 2006.
The problem comes in when they have 15 or 20 teenagers, some of whom are so intoxicated they can't even walk. There's evidence of cups everywhere or beer pong. All the government has to do, or the municipalities have to do, is basically say you were there, you were aware of what was going on, and you endorsed it.
And the accused parents in both of those cases over the weekend are due in court next week. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.